In today's video I wanted to share with you a Mujaddara recipe, and this is a super simple recipe and a staple in my house because it only takes 3 ingredients. You need 5 to 10 minutes to put it together and it tastes delicious. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. To prepare the Mujaddara, you'll only need 3 ingredients, which are rice, lentils, and onions. I have a video dedicated on how to cook the perfect rice, and I will be linking that up here as well as in the description below. In my house, we normally cook a large batch of rice for the week and keep it in the fridge, which is a great time saver. I also have a video on how to cook different legumes perfectly, including lentils. I will again link that up here as well as in the description below. And when we make lentils or any other legume, we normally make a large amount and keep it in the freezer, and again, that's a great time saver. And normally the way I defrost my legumes is putting the amount that I want inside a bowl when they're frozen, adding on top of it some boiling water, then straining it, and they're good to go. To prepare the onions, start off by peeling them and dicing them. Then you will heat up a pan and add a splash of vegetable broth or water, and then add in the onions. Mix them around and add more liquid as needed to deglaze the pot. I then added in some spices. I used salt, cumin, and pepper to season the dish, but you can use any seasoning that you would like. And after about 5 to 7 minutes, when the onion became golden, I added the rice to the pot and mixed it up for a little bit. And then I added in the lentils and mixed everything up until it was nicely combined and distributed. Then it is time to serve the Mujaddara. And I like to top it off with a little bit of tahini because in my opinion it adds a nice creaminess as well as great flavor. And enjoy! That is all for today's recipe. If you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram in your pictures. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. Also, if this was your first time here in the Living Life Simply channel, make sure to subscribe down below. And I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!